In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit the master slide. Editing the master slide is great when you're working with HyperDocs or choice menus, and you want to create things on a slide that you don't want students to be able to move around or accidentally edit. So the first thing you're going to do is go to Slide, and you're going to click on Edit Master. So the menu pops up, and I'm going to scroll down to the bottom to find the blank slide. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how to make a placeholder, or a place for students to type in either their name or some text. So I'm going to grab a text box. I'm just going to type in name. Now this right here, they will not be able to manipulate. But if I come down beside that text box and I tap on Subtitle Placeholder, and I grab right here and I drag across, in this box, the students will be able to put in their name. This text right here will still show up, but at least they'll know where to put their name. So I can move this box a little bit closer right here, and I'm going to close out of this menu and show you. We're going to add a slide, and for the layout, we're going to go grab that layout. You'll see name, and when I click here, I am able to type in my name, but I cannot manipulate where I typed in name right here. So that's a neat trick. Let's go ahead and talk about some manipulatives. So maybe I have a table and I want students to drag and drop things into a table. I don't want the table to move, and I don't want them to change what the titles are for the table, but I want them to be able to drag and drop. So I'm going to go back to Slide. I'm going to go back to Edit Master. And I'm going to insert a table. Let's see, we'll do like a true false. So then I can type in true. I can type in false. You can make, what I should have done is only put in one row so that they have a bigger space to drag and drop things. So I can go ahead and color that if I want, and color this one so it looks different. You can make it pretty if you would like. I'm going to go ahead and close out of that and show you now that this again cannot be moved, but I want to create some little boxes with text so that it can be moved into that table. So I'm going to go grab, I think I'm going to grab a shape. I'm going to grab this shape right here. And I'm just going to drag and create. And inside that, I can put some statements that are either true or false. The easiest thing to do is once you get the shape size you want, I can hit Control-C and Control-V for copy and paste, and I can make as many as I want, and then I can go back in and change my text. I can line these up. And now when the students go into your slide to complete an activity, they can drag the boxes to where they belong. So I had that backwards. So that's just a quick and easy way to edit the master. So hyperslides, choice boards are easy to create.